As a high school student, you may have already started working part-time or are considering getting a job. Earning your own money is an exciting milestone, but it also comes with new responsibilities, such as understanding your paycheck. When you start a new job, you'll be introduced to the payroll process. Payroll is the system that employers use to calculate and distribute wages to their employees. It's crucial to understand how this process works, as it directly impacts your financial well-being. The key terms we'll be discussing in this lesson are direct deposit, gross pay, deductions, and net pay. Let's start with gross pay, which is the total amount of money you earn before any deductions are made. If you're paid hourly, your gross pay is calculated by multiplying your hourly rate by the number of hours worked in a pay period. For example, if you earn $12 per hour and work 20 hours in a week, your gross pay would be $240 12x 20. If you're paid an annual salary, your gross pay is determined by dividing your yearly salary by the number of pay periods in a year. Now that you know your gross pay, it's time to understand deductions. Deductions are amounts subtracted from your gross pay for various reasons, such as taxes, insurance, and retirement contributions. Some deductions are mandatory, meaning they are required by law, while others are voluntary and depend on your individual circumstances. Mandatory deductions include federal and state income taxes, Social Security taxes, and Medicare taxes. These deductions are taken out of your paycheck automatically, and the amounts are determined by factors such as your income level and the tax laws in your state. Voluntary deductions, on the other hand, are those you choose to have withheld from your paycheck. Examples include health insurance premiums, retirement plan contributions, such as a 401k, and charitable donations. These deductions can provide benefits, like access to medical care and savings for the future, but they also reduce your take-home pay. After all deductions have been made, what's left is your net pay, also known as your take-home pay. This is the actual amount of money you receive in your paycheck or bank account. To calculate your net pay, simply subtract the total deductions from your gross pay. It's important to review your paycheck carefully to ensure that all deductions are accurate and that you're receiving the correct amount of net pay. If you notice any discrepancies, don't hesitate to reach out to your employer's human resources or payroll department for clarification. Many employers offer direct deposit as a convenient way to receive your net pay. With direct deposit, your money is electronically transferred from your employer's bank account into your own bank account on payday. This eliminates the need for paper checks and ensures that you have access to your money as soon as it's available. Direct deposit offers several advantages, such as increased security, no risk of lost or stolen checks, faster access to funds, no need to wait for checks to clear, and the ability to split your paycheck among multiple accounts, such as checking and savings. If your employer offers direct deposit, consider signing up for this service. Now that you understand the basics of your paycheck, it's time to put that knowledge to work. Using the information from your paycheck, you can create a budget to help manage your income and expenses. A budget is a plan that outlines how you'll allocate your money each month, taking into account your net pay, fixed expenses, like rent or car payments, and variable expenses, like groceries or entertainment. By tracking your income and expenses, you can ensure that you're living within your means and working towards your financial goals, such as saving for college, a car, or an emergency fund. Budgeting may seem daunting at first, but there are many tools and resources available to help you get started, such as budgeting apps and online tutorials. In addition to budgeting, it's never too early to start thinking about long-term financial planning. This includes setting financial goals, learning about investing, and understanding the importance of credit scores and responsible credit use. By developing good financial habits early on, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions about your money as you navigate adulthood. Understanding your paycheck is an essential life skill that will serve you well throughout your career. By familiarizing yourself with concepts like gross pay, deductions, net pay, and direct deposit, you'll be better prepared to manage your earnings and make the most of your hard earned money. Remember, your paycheck is more than just a number, it represents your time, effort, and skills. By taking control of your finances and making informed decisions about your money, you'll be setting yourself up for a brighter financial future.